Hi, and welcome to another Making a Home Monday. Today I'm going to show you how I decorated our home for Christmas. I started by gathering all my fall decorations and putting them in one spot so I can put them away easily. Then I emptied out my Christmas totes so I could see what decorations I have. We don't have a ton of Christmas decorations, but each year we add a little more. This is one of my favorites. I like to change the florals in the vases to these pretty Christmas florals. Next, I hang our stockings. This is a cute little nativity set my husband got me a few years ago that our daughter can play with, but now it's just kind of a display for us. A couple years ago, I got these village house pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted them to look simple and just one color, so I painted them white. Next, it's time to put the tree together. Lights work, and now our family is going to decorate the tree. I did not record that just because that's just something we did on our own. Here is our Christmas tree after we put on our family ornaments. Here are our fireplace decorations. daughter's Christmas tree in her bedroom that her and her friend decorated this weekend. This is one of my favorite pieces. It is our Advent wreath. Each week we light a new candle and talk about what that candle symbolizes, and we also have some Advent cards that we read through each day and talk about the Advent season and Jesus' birth. I like to hang up our Advent cards on this string so that it's a nice piece of decoration and it's easy to find the card that we need for that day. The same weekend that we put our Christmas decorations up, we got our first snow. We went to sleep with just a few flakes, but woke up to this beautiful scene. I hope you enjoyed this video and the Decorate With Me. I'll be adding more decorations as I continue to complete more pre-loved projects.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.